Eric Grant here with Sailrite. In this video we're going to demonstrate how the HandyPress works with jean button rivets. And this die is not available from Sailrite and the jean buttons are not, but we want to show you that you can do it with the HandyPress.
There are many reasons the HandyPress may just be the world's best bench mount hand press, but the main one is this: there's one press for all the dies, no matter the brand. If it was made for a hand press, chances are it will work in the HandyPress. Let's get started and show you how to load the dies and use the jean button rivets. This die has a flat spot, so we'll load it in the upper shaft and use the thumb screw and tighten it on the flat spot of the upper die. The bottom die has a shaft that requires the spring coil and this washer. These spring coils and washers come with the HandyPress. Onto the post of the lower die, insert the washer, then push the coil spring onto it. Rotate it slightly as you push it onto the lower post of the die. Then insert the lower die into the base of the HandyPress and tighten down the thumb screw. The next task is to set the sweet compression. Depress the lever of the HandyPress. Your goal is to have the lever of the HandyPress be 10 degrees down from horizontal, which is the lowest it will travel down. Dies often vary. This style upper die does not need to meet the lower die with the lever all the way down. In fact, the rubber housing is typically about a 1/4 inch up from the lower die with the lever at 10 degrees down. To achieve that task, raise or lower the upper shaft by rotating it to the left or the right until that goal is achieved. That is the sweet compression, much like a pair of vice grips work. Load the upper die with a button. The rubber housing will hold the button in place. Load the lower die with a rivet. It is highly recommended to test in scrap fabric of equal thickness to make sure that your compression is set right. So we'll lower the lever all the way down and check to be sure that we are happy with our button installation. And here you can see that the barrel is smashed. There's too much compression. So we need to release the pressure by rotating the shaft to the right or upwards. Now let's test again in scrap. Now our barrel is perfect. It is not compressed at all, so we're ready to use it in our good fabric. Now that our compression is set perfectly, we can install the jean button rivets as quickly as you can load the dies. And it's super easy to depress the lever. They go right through the thickness of our fabric assembly. So, as you can see, the HandyPress will handle a variety of dies, no matter the brand. If it was made for a hand press, the HandyPress can handle it. I'm Eric Grant, from all of us here at Sailrite. Thanks for watching.